How's it going, everyone? My name is Felix. I am the broker owner of Pelican Property Management Services. We are a long-term property management company here in the Gulf Coast. I'm here at another rental. This one's going to be at 1723 West Intendencia here in Pensacola, Florida. This property sits on the corner of West Intendencia, which goes this way, and K Street, which runs up and down this way. As you can see, right across the street is a nice dog park, and there's a kids park on the other side over there, some basketball hoops and whatnot. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Come with me as I go ahead and show you inside the property. So as you enter the house, the first thing you're going to be is in the living room slash open kitchen area. Right there, stainless steel appliances, nice and open. Good idea. All right, it's a shotgun style home. As you head towards the back, first room will be to your right. The other space. There's the closet there. The hallway is the second bedroom. They're right beside each other here. Get a good idea of the space. And then bathroom there. And that is going to be for guests, and the 2 bedrooms in the front. And this is going to be the primary bedroom. There's a closet there, plenty of room. And then bathroom. So this is the primary bath. They have double vanity, his and her, shower, toilet there. And back here, it's going to be washer and dryer hookups. This property is pet friendly and is fenced in. Like I said, there is a dog park across the street, so plenty of room for your 4-legged friend to run around. If you're interested in taking a look at this property or would like some more information, phone number I can be reached at is going to be 850-417-3247. And if you're a homeowner looking to rent out your property with Pelican Property Management Services, feel free to give me a call as well. Once again, that's 850-417-3247. All right, have an amazing day.